next one, we're going to look the surface area of cuboid and cubes. Here I have a cuboid, but a cube is a box that all sides are equal. This is a cuboid. As you can see, no sides are equal. Now, for you to find the surface area of a cuboid or a cube, you must identify how many sides do it have. Now, look at mine here. We have this side, length times width is identical to this one, the other side, length times width. This means they are equal. This side, length times width is identical to the other one here, length times width. The bottom one, length times width, is actually the same as the upper one, the top one, length times width. This clearly indicates a cube or a cuboid has 6 sides. 2 sides are identical. 2 sides are actually very, very identical. Now, come to my here. We have 2 types of cubes and cuboid. One, we have a closed cuboid and an open cuboid, or closed cube and an open cube. The format on how I'm going to calculate about the surface area of a closed cuboid and the surface area of an open cuboid is the same as you are going to calculate the surface area of a cube and the open cube and a closed one. Now, let me start with this one. Look at this side. It is 5 multiplied by the height here. It is 8 centimeters. So it is here 5 multiplied by 8 centimeters, you'll get 40. But there's identical on the other side. Multiplied by 2, you'll get it is 80. Now, let's go to this side. It is 7 multiplied by 8. 7 multiplied by 8. So 7 multiplied by 8, it is 56. 56, sorry. Multiplied by 2, because there is actually an identical one on the other side. You'll get it is 112. This is centimeter square, also here centimeter square. Now, the other one that is actually is remaining is the bottom and the top one. It is 5 times 7. Also here 5 times 7. So it is 5 times 7, you get it is 30. 35, sorry, you get 35. Multiplied by 2, you'll get it is 70 centimeters. Now, as you can see, this is one side multiplied by 2. This is 2 sides, 2 sides, 2 sides. So this is 6. Now, add all this. This is 2. 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Carry 1. Here 1, it will be 2. So there will be 262 centimeter square. Now, this is the surface area of actually a closed cuboid. Now, the difference comes to open cuboid. This means you have to identify the side that actually is open. As you can see, the top side is open. This means when multiplying 5 multiplied by 7, you'll do it multiplied by 1 because it's only one side. Let me start by that one. It is 5 multiplied by 7. You'll get 35. Multiplied by 1, it will still be 35 centimeters. Because it's only the bottom part that is closed. But here, the upper one, actually it is open. That's why I'm multiplying by 1. Now, this side is the same, so the height is 8 centimeters. So it is 5 times 8, you'll get it is 40. Multiplied by 2, you get it is 80 centimeters square. Obvious, because it is the area. Now, the other side, this side, it is 7 multiplied by 8. 7 multiplied by 8. The other one, identical one is here. It is 56. Multiplied by 2, because they are 2. Multiplied by 2, you get is 112 centimeter square. Then you add. This is 7. This is 11, 12, and this is 2. So it is 227 centimeter square. So the same format that I've used to calculate the surface area of a cuboid, closed cuboid and open cuboid. It's the same format that when you want to find the surface area of actually a cube. Now, the other one here, let us look at the surface area of a pipe. A pipe. A pipe. This means a pipe is open on both sides. It's only a pipe. This means there's no circle here and there's no any circle here. This means you can see through a pipe. If you want to find the surface area of a pipe, it has a very simple formula, that is pi dh. To find the surface area of a pipe is pi dh. For example, here it is 20 meters and here it is 7 meters. The radius is 7 meters and actually the height it is 20 meters. We have pi. We all know pi can be either be 22/7 or it can either be 3.14 or it can either be 3/1/7. Here that 3/1/7 is the same as 22/7. So it is 22/7 times diameter. This is radius. From here, a half of it is radius. For you to find the diameter is 7 times 2 because diameter is has to go up to this end. So it is 14 times 20. By here 1, by here 2. Here will be 44. 44 multiplied by 20 is 880 meter square. So if you want to find the surface area of a pipe, this is the format. It is pi dh, as simple as that.